Hello YouTubers. Right, we're watching some footage. I watch quite a lot of footage with volcanoes and stuff, live feeds, and watching one this morning. I can't pronounce the name of it, but I'm sure people who do watch the volcanoes are familiar with it. The name of it. Right. So anyway, I've never gone public with seeing UFOs in my life, right? Because I find it a bit embarrassing. But now I've actually got some footage, some live footage from this morning. I'm going to come out of it. I've had 5 experiences seeing UFOs in my life. But this one here, I've actually captured. And I've seen some pretty crazy stuff in my lifetime travelling around. But this is the best. This is the best. Anybody that doesn't believe in UFOs, think twice. This is right. So that's no aeroplane, is it? That could be a meteor, could be an aeroplane you'd think, or something like that, but you don't see anything doing what this is about to do. Just give you perspective and zoom in. What did it just fire there? What did it just fire out there? YouTubers, don't believe in UFOs? Let's start thinking again. Watch what it does next. And just disappears. Right, can anyone explain that to me? Does anyone know what star consolation that is? Put it on the comments below. Whoa, crazy stuff. Over and out, YouTube.